Chief Minister Khemchand has assured people that all efforts will be made to deliver justice and restore confidence among communities in Manipur. He was speaking at the launch of Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan under Viksit Bharat Sankalp initiative at Manipur University today. The event, which featured a virtual interaction with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, was organized by NSS Cell, Manipur University, in collaboration with State NSS Cell under the aegis of Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, as part of nationwide campaign against drug abuse. Speaking further, Chief Minister Khemchand has called upon the youth to stay away from drugs and contribute towards building a healthy and progressive society. He emphasized that Manipur is on track to become India's gateway to Southeast Asia. He said that the railway line was expected to reach Imphal by December 2028, after which it will extend to Moray and eventually connect with neighboring Southeast Asian nations, opening massive opportunities for the younger generation. Addressing the state's ongoing challenges, the Chief Minister stressed that peace is the essential foundation for development, urging communities to embrace a spirit of forgive and forget to rebuild trust. He reaffirmed the government's commitment to securing justice for victims, extending humanitarian assistance, and ensuring rehabilitation for those affected by the crisis. During the program, the Chief Minister administered an anti-drug pledge to all participants.
Bujina kara inter ko male masi aikoi forgiveness amana amabu ko toga chakot banda bi sa tabata ragani madu nungi wakal onda adum pomdun leina bata ragani koi chakot bangam daba samaj mo ehogani aduna masi ai kechini minister mo thamjari sarkar na justice togani then trust division leiba kanu puni trust division leisi masi sabjana ba hona bada asobo thokar lawri duwa lawri gani deloina thokre irang sina Sabu Pandrama, Aduba Singadugi, communitarian Luna, Koi, Yanjali Matau Matai, Matu Yanjali, the Punamasida, Mayam, Saju, Sanise, was asking Koi Putamana, but it's sort of in a view.